Have you ever felt that deep, soul-level exhaustion that sleep can't fix? It's the moment when moving forward feels impossible. Not because you've given up, but because you've given everything. Society tells us to push through, to hustle until we break. But what if the bravest thing we can do is simply stand still? A pause isn't quitting. It's a sacred act of self-preservation, a deliberate choice to honor your own humanity. We glorify relentless motion, but rarely talk about the power of stopping to catch our breath. Pausing isn't weakness. It's a fundamental part of a wholehearted life. It's the space between the notes that makes the music beautiful. So let's talk about what it means to be strong for too long, and finally give yourself permission to rest. The most resilient people aren't those who never fall, but those who know how to pause, recalibrate, and rise again. In the stillness, we discover a new kind of strength. We're told strength means never stopping, never asking for help. But that's a myth, and a dangerous one. Everyone has a breaking point, not from weakness, but from being strong for too long. You've carried burdens, shown up every day, and one day, the tank is empty. This isn't failure. It's the natural result of giving more than you have. Yet, we feel shame, thinking we're not enough, while our culture celebrates burnout. Hitting a wall is proof of your dedication, not your defeat. It's your body and spirit signaling, I need a break. Ignoring that signal risks your health and happiness. The bravest thing you can do is listen, stop, and give yourself grace to recover. The pause isn't the problem. It's the first step toward healing. The most successful people, athletes, leaders, creators, don't avoid exhaustion. They master strategic rest. They know rest isn't the opposite of work, but a vital part of it. Elite athletes build recovery into their training, knowing muscles grow stronger during rest. Skipping rest leads to burnout and injury. Leaders and creatives schedule downtime to replenish energy and spark new ideas. Rest is a discipline, requiring courage to step away when the world says keep going. High performers invest in rest as a strategy for sustained excellence. They silence the voice of shame and honor their limits. Rest isn't wasted time. It's fuel for future effectiveness. They use rest as a weapon against burnout. When we finally pause, something powerful happens. The silence feels strange at first, but it's a healing space. Here, the mind calms, the body recovers, and the spirit finds its center. The inner critic quiets, and the pressure to perform fades. Like muddy water settling, clarity emerges in the stillness. We regain perspective, remember our purpose, and see the bigger picture. The pause lets us ask, is this path serving me? What do I truly want? Answers come not as shouts, but as gentle whispers. We return to life with renewed direction and energy. The pause gives us back to ourselves. Every story of resilience has a turning point, and it often starts with a quiet pause, not a dramatic comeback. The decision to pause is the first step in rewriting your story. It's not an ending, but the messy middle where real growth happens. Choosing rest is an act of defiance in a world that equates worth with productivity. The energy you gather now fuels your rise. This is about emotional and spiritual replenishment, reconnecting with joy, meaning, and support. Each act of self-care is a deposit in your well of resilience. When you return, you'll be wiser, more compassionate, and stronger. The pause teaches that your worth isn't measured by your pace, but by your presence. Sometimes, the most powerful move is to stand perfectly still. If you're in a pause right now, know this. You are not broken or weak. You are in a sacred process of recalibration. This stillness isn't the end, it's the beginning of your rise. The world is full of people who paused, then returned stronger and more wholehearted. Their stories are defined not by stopping, but by the courage to start again. This is your permission slip, to lay down the armor, to be still, to honor your humanity. Your pause is an act of self-respect and courage. You are not failing, you are refueling. Remember, they paused, they didn't quit.